Hi, James Burke, Watercraft Technologies. Today we're going to be showing you our speed control device. When you hook it up to your motor and the batteries, you'll find a device that can control your speed from 0 to 100 using this dial. Well, let's hook it up and show you how it works. We take the red connector, which has a fuse on it. We put it to the positive. The black goes to negative. And of course our plug goes to the plug of the motor. It can only go in one way, so you can't go wrong. Now that we're hooked up, let's take a look. It's a dial. Starts out very slow and goes very fast to 100%. Slow to fast. Simple. Let's do a close-up of that. Starting at 0, turning it on, going faster and faster until it's at 100%. That's about halfway, and that's off. So you can go very slow, a little bit faster, to 100%. Now, who is this good for? It's good for fishermen who want to troll at a slower speed. It's good for when you're going in the shallows, you just want to go slower. It's also good for just having a general control feel of your kayak instead of an on and off. So this is our review about the Skimmer Kayak Motor Kit Speed Control. On the website you would see a speed control option along with a wide plate or a narrow plate option. This is James Burke from Watercraft Technologies, hoping to see you out on the water.